am really happy that Samsung continues to push forward the foldable because we are desperate for these new looks and new takes. When it comes to content consumption, this thing truly comes into its own.
Now, Samsung is doing the folding hardware better than ever. I really do like the overall design here of the Fold 3. I love using this phone. Like, I feel more productive with my phone that opens up to a tablet size.
Something new with the Fold is that it now works with an S Pen. So it instantly starts working as soon as I have it interact with the phone here.
That's a whole new opportunity here. The S Pen has actually come into its own on this device right here.
The Fold wants to be as close to a normal smartphone as possible, but then also give you a huge sort of mini tablet sized screen and all the experiences that are great about that.
Camera no longer becomes a significant obstruction.
It feels good. And believe it or not, the whole phone, including this hinge, is IPX8 water resistant. But overall, I can't lie. I've really just been enjoying using the Fold because it's so different from a normal phone.
What a time to be alive. Folding smartphones, it's real. They're here to stay. We're on the 3rd version. Way to go, Samsung.